everyone. Principle of inheritance and variation subtopic Mendel's laws of inheritance. Let's study about the Mendel's laws of inheritance. So Gregor Johann Mendel, the scientist who conducted the hybridization experiment on the garden peas for 7 years, that is from 1856 to the 1863, and proposed the laws of inheritance. Gregor Johann Mendel, called as father of genetics. Okay, mainly who worked on the garden peas around 1856 to the 1863, and the person who proposed the laws of inheritance. Later will study the laws of inheritance. Mendel conducted artificial pollination or the cross pollination experiments using the several true breeding pea plants. A true breeding line is one that having undergone continuous self-pollination for several generations. Yes, so he conducted the artificial pollination or some cross-pollination experiments on these pea plants. So true breeding pea plants he used. What is the meaning of this true breeding pea plants? Means the pea plants which have undergone the continuous cell pollination many times or for several generations. So that plant is called as the true breeding pea plant. Okay. So for example, the pea plant, so which have undergone the cell pollination for several generation, around 7 to 8 generation. So the plant which is obtained at the end, that is called as the true breeding pea plant. Okay. Then, so what are all the characters he selected in pea plants? So why he selected pea plants for his experiments? So there are some many types of the plants and animals, right? Why he selected pea plant? Because these pea plants, they show some special characters. For example, they can complete their life cycle within 3 months. So they complete their life cycle within 3 months, means in a year we can get around 3 to 4 generation, right? So that is easy to study. So if you take any other plant which is having the more life cycle, like lifespan like 1 to 2 years or 10 years, so it will take more time to study the other generation, right? So it will take around lifetime to study this experiment. So he took this plant which has the very less life cycle, that is around 3 months, and which show the contrasting characters. So it show many contrasting characters, like it may be height. Some pea plants show their height some pea plants are height and some pea plants are dwarf, and the flower color and the flower position, so they show some contrasting character. So that is one of the important character. So that is why he selected the pea plant. Okay, so he selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. So what are all the characters he selected for his experiment? Stem height, that is stem height, tall, dwarf, and the flower color, that is violet or white. Flower position, that is axial or the terminal. Pod shape, that is inflated or beaded or constricted. And pod color, green or yellow. And seed color, yellow or green. Seed shape, round or wrinkled. So these are all the contrasting characters that he observed in the pea plants. Okay, so he selected the 14 true breeding. How many true breeding plant he selected? Around 7 contrasting character and 14 true breeding plant. So these are all the contrasting characters selected by the Mendel for his experiment. For example, in seed, wrinkle seed and round seed. And In cotyledons, yellow and green. The seed color, that is yellow green. Okay, so we take it as a seed color. So here 7 characters he selected for his experiment. Flower color, that is white, violet. Then pod, that is full or constricted. Full means like this and constricted means like this. And color of the pod, that is yellow or green. And the stem, so here axial flowers. So these are the axial flowers and this is the terminal flower position. Okay. And the stem height, so that is tall or dwarf. So these are the 7 different character. So you may call it as a contrasting character that is selected by the Mendel for his experiment. Okay. So by using these all contrasting character, Mendel proposed the laws of inheritance. Thank you.